All right, I told you I was going to show you how to give you the instructions on how to do all this stuff on your graphing calculator. So here are the steps for the 5-number summary on the calculator. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Stat button, and you're going to go to Edit, and you're going to put your values in a list. Just put it in list 1. Reminder that if you currently have things already in your lists, if you cursor up to where this thing is right here, so it's highlighted, and hit clear enter, it will clear the whole list, and you don't have to clear each item individually. It's a little faster. So once you've entered all of your values in list 1, you're going to want to go back to the Stat button, and this time you're going to cursor over to Calc, and you're going to choose the first thing, which is one variable statistics. Just hit enter. And then on your home screen, you're going to see this, and then I think it has relative frequency. I can't really remember right now. And then calculate. You'll notice that on the home screen, there's a little square right there that's blinking. That means it's waiting for you to do something. So just hit enter, 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 and then a whole bunch of numbers are going to come up on your home screen. And the ones we're most concerned about, first of all, it'll give you the X bar. So let's say that you entered the value for the big bank, or the values for the big bank, and the X bar then would show 7.2. And then you're going to look for this symbol right here. This is the standard deviation. For a sample. And that's the one we want because we're looking at a sample. And then that will be, I can't remember what the standard deviation was, 1.96. You're also going to see a symbol that looks like this. This is the standard deviation for the population. So remember when I said, when you find the average of that last column, when you're doing that by hand, and you're finding the average of that, except you're not dividing by n, you're dividing by n minus 1. Remember the sample standard deviation is when you divide by n minus 1. The population standard deviation is when you divide by n. But we don't really care about this one because we're not asking for the standard deviation of the population. This is the one we want. And then you'll notice on your home screen that there's a little black box with an arrow on it. This means that there's more information. So if you cursor down, then you're going to find the 5-number summary listed. And it will be listed, it'll give the min, Q1, the median, Q3, and the max. So the 5-number summary, your calculator will give you all of that information. And that's it for the calculator information.